Hello, this is Elliot Schlissel, father's rights attorney again. Today I'm going to talk to you about issues involving social media, websites, and divorce proceedings. There's been recent questions that have arisen as to whether social media websites are having an impact on increasing divorce rates in the country. There are many social media websites such as MySpace, Twitter, Facebook, Flickr, PhotoBucket, and numerous other ones. Lawyers increasingly are using investigators to obtain information from social media websites with regard to spouses having illicit affairs and romances during the course of their marriage. Access to individual social media websites can provide all types of information concerning social activities. In a recent survey of attorneys who are members of the American Academy of Matrimonial Lawyers, it was found that there are significant increases in the number of divorce cases which have utilized evidence obtained from material posted on social media websites by parties to the litigation. In the old days, it was necessary to hire a private investigator to investigate the private life of a spouse who may have been committing adultery. Today, investigators, instead of going into the field with a camera or snooping around motel rooms, search through photo files, comments on walls, information on individuals' profile pages, and all types of other information gleaned from social media websites. Photos taken from social media websites are increasingly finding their way into court proceedings. It is said a photo is worth 1,000 words. Unfortunately, the wrong photo can be the basis of a divorce action. In addition to photos that have been utilized by attorneys in divorces, they've also been utilized in driving while intoxicated cases to show inappropriate drinking habits or dependence on alcohol. Inappropriate behavior presented on social media websites can be used in a divorce proceeding to show an individual would be a poor choice to be maintained as the custodial parent. It is an effective evidentiary technique to look through social media websites when there is going to be a custody proceeding and utilize inappropriate activities gleaned from these websites to show that one party or the other would be the more appropriate parent to receive custody. In 2008, a study was undertaken by the Pew Study of Internet in American Life. One of the interesting results of the study was it was found that 20% of all adults interviewed in the study who maintained online social media websites stated they had flirted with others on these websites. Jason Krafsky has written a book called Facebook and Your Marriage. In his book, he claims that spouses need to set limits on what they utilize social media websites for. He recommends in his book spouses share passwords and usernames. He suggests this so they can each check on what the other is doing on social media websites. He specifically recommends spouses do not maintain communication on social media websites with ex-lovers. He claims this can lead to misunderstandings and have a negative effect on the marital relationship. My conclusion is, if you're going to fool around, don't do it on the internet. Meet the woman in person or meet the man in person. This is Elliot Schlissel signing off.